Hey wellness warriors, let's talk about sonic medicine. Did you know sound is not just heard? The body feels it as vibration. Have you ever wondered what sound feels like? Not just in your ears, but deep within your body? Vibroacoustic therapy is a unique wellness practice that uses low-frequency sound vibrations to promote relaxation, balance, and healing. Here is some background. This therapy was developed in the 1980s by a Norwegian scientist named Olav Skille. He discovered that when the body is exposed to certain sound frequencies, it doesn't just hear them, it actually feels them. These vibrations travel through the skin, muscles, bone, and even into the cells, gently encouraging the body to release tension and restore harmony. So how does this work? During a session, you lie down on a sensory sound lounger embedded with 4 transducers. As you listen to music and nature sounds that are designed to calm the nervous system, the body absorbs the lower vibrations that restore homeostasis. We call this bioresonance. Think of it as a massage from the inside out. The frequencies are carefully chosen to not only calm the nervous system, reduce stress hormones, and stimulate circulation, but to address whatever part of the body needs support to heal. The benefits. Research and client experiences show a wide range of benefits: reduced pain, deeper sleep, relief from anxiety, improved focus, and faster recovery from stress or fatigue. Many people describe it as reaching a meditative state effortlessly as the body melts into sound. To wrap this up, whether you're looking for stress relief, pain management, alignment, or simply a way to reconnect with yourself, vibroacoustic therapy offers a gentle yet powerful path to well-being. It's not just sound you hear, it's sound you feel. I hope you found this info helpful. Bye for now.